Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Sasa, and today I will read two sentences and one paragraph. The airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. The airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. The mode is a boring, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava flying on its surface. The moon is falling with crave, crave it a not life of its own. Is it got its light from the sun? The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. Thank you. See you soon.